Shaquille O'Neal's home may be fit for Superman, but he's ready to move on. The former NBA center relisted his 35,000 square foot abode, dubbed Windermere Mansion. According to Today, the basketball star first listed his house in March 2018 with a price tag of $28 million. Currently, the home is listed through Jared Vringel, Chris Franciosa and Dustin Feely of the Agency Collective in South Florida for $21.9 million. Get push notifications with news, features and more. Following you'll get the latest updates on this topic in your browser notifications. Sprawling over 3 acres in a gated community with nearly 700 feet of prime lake frontage, the private estate offers 12 bedrooms with an array of amenities. Related, the biggest celeb real estate moves of 2018, these stars bought and sold million-dollar homes. Of course, O'Neal's home wouldn't be complete without a place for him to practice his game, so the home is equipped with a 6,000 square foot indoor basketball court at Reed Shack Center and the Miami Heat logo placed at center court. Around the walls, he has various framed basketball jerseys from his time on the Los Angeles Lakers, a photo from when he was on the Miami Heat roster, and, of course, a Superman plaque. The Superman theme carries throughout the home, as the Locke's home theater carpet is imprinted with the logo from the superhero, as is a plush round bed upstairs. In his living room, which is close to his open eat-in kitchen with a center island, the 7'13" athlete has a portrait of him and his mom that hangs above his fireplace. O'Neal's home also boasts a cigar storage room and a showroom-style 17-car garage adorned with various Shaq memorabilia items, including a poster from the 1995 NBA Finals. Attached to his master bedroom, O'Neal has a massive walk-in closet with a dresser in the middle to house all of his clothes and shoes. Elsewhere in the home, he has an entire room dedicated to his trophies and jerseys. Related, DJ Khaled is selling his Miami mansion, site of his famous hot tub Snapchats, for $8 million outside. The basketball pro's home has a 95-foot-long swimming pool with a waterfall and an outdoor bar fit for entertaining. The backyard further extends with long dock on the lake that ends with a seating area. For anyone with $22 million to spare, this home is a slam dunk.